Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ledger Flex wallet. First, unbox your device and connect it using the provided cable. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application on your computer or smartphone. Follow the clear on-screen prompts to set up your new Ledger Flex. This includes choosing a strong PIN code and, most importantly, writing down your unique 24-word recovery phrase. Keep this phrase extremely safe and secret. It is your only backup. Once your Ledger Flex is set up, open Ledger Live and go to the Manager section. Here, you can install the applications for the cryptocurrencies you want to manage, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. To receive funds, select the Receive option for your desired asset. Ledger Live will generate an address. Crucially, always verify this address directly on your Ledger Flex device screen to ensure it matches what is shown in Ledger Live before confirming. Sending cryptocurrency from your Ledger Flex is a secure process. In Ledger Live, select the Send option for the asset you wish to transfer. Carefully enter the recipient's wallet address and the exact amount you intend to send. Before finalizing, your Ledger Flex device will display all transaction details for your review. You must physically confirm these details on the device screen and then approve the transaction by pressing both buttons simultaneously. Protecting your digital assets is paramount. Your 24-word recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Keep it absolutely secret and stored offline in a secure location. Never, under any circumstances, share this phrase with anyone, including Ledger support. Regularly update your Ledger Flex device's firmware and the Ledger Live application to benefit from the latest security enhancements. Always download software, only from official Ledger sources, to avoid malicious phishing attempts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.